Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to this section, because as you can see we can change the ringtone and the notification sound. So of course let me show you how to do it using the ringtone. And here we've been transferred to the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, at the top we've got this custom option, so on this device you will be able to pick the files which you've got saved, for example downloaded from the internet. If they will be compatible you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. However, I like to focus on those which are installed by a default, and if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and probably you will not hear anything. Okay, so as you can see, basically that's how it works. Just tap on it and your device will play it to you, so you will be able to decide whether you like it or not. And if you will decide, okay, that's too loud, and whether you decide that you want to stick with this option, so let's pretend I want this cyclotron whatever, set it as a ringtone, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone, in my case this one, to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.